Hello everyone, welcome to Gus 2 Wheeling. How's everybody doing? Got the Honda VTX1300R awake from hibernation. It's been a long winter. Yeah, beautiful day today. So yeah, I had the snow blower blocking the VTX from getting out this winter, so I finally put my snow blower in the shed in the backyard last weekend, and today I added some tire pressure because she lost a few PSI while sitting over the winter. Checked the fluid levels and make sure everything's good, and I thought I'd bring her out for a little ride. Still got salt down here, you gotta watch it. Yeah, February last month, you know, for February being the shortest month of the year, it sure does feel like the longest when it's winter time. You know, we had some snow prediction. We had some snow, but they missed the predictions. You know, they said we'd get, you know, 4 to 8 inches. We ended up getting 2 to 3. And we also had a couple times we had that freezing rain, which, good gosh, hate driving in that stuff, but all good. Is today the first day of spring? Today is March 20th. Is it 20th or 21st? Anyway, spring is here. Alright, this car came here, tripped the light, because I would have been sitting there forever. Hopefully start planning on some good rides, do some rides this year, because last year, you know, with everything being locked down, and I mean, you could go riding, but you know, stuff was shut down, events were canceled, you know, that I like going to. So hopefully this year I see that Honda's come out with an 1100cc Rebel. And it looks pretty good. It's got a lot of bang for your buck. You know, you get ABS, you get cruise control, and if you prefer the automatic transmission, the dual clutch transmission that Honda offers, you can go with that. So it looks like they've been selling pretty good. See a lot of YouTube videos of people buying them and enjoying them. Maybe if there's a chance, I'll get the demo ride one, try one out, see how it is. And I see Harley Davidson's come out with some new models, an adventure bike, Pan America. Looks pretty stealthy looking. I haven't seen one in person, but what else? Oh, Suzuki's bringing back next generation Hayabusa, Suzuki Hayabusa. And then Royal Enfield, they got some exciting models. price real good, you know. Man, I haven't been back here in a while. They got apartments here now. Ooh. That right there, these buildings here, they are data centers. And Loudoun County, they're all over the county. They're saying there's going to be close to 100 of these all over. And, you know, it's a building that I've been told has servers, and it's where companies or people, they store their information. We'll turn down here, Loudoun County Parkway. That big balloon tent right there is where the used to be called the Washington Redskins, the Washington football team practice, which I guess they're gonna give themselves a name. Yeah, we'll go down the driveway. I know I can't get past that. Probably got a guard over here. Yeah, but their training facility is where they practice is right here in Ashburn, Virginia. It says Coach Gibbs Drive. Yeah, this is where it's at. Yep, they got a security guard. And of course the season's over, so man, they even changed the name on the sign. Washington football team. I didn't even see if there was a guard in that shack, but yeah, that's where they train during the season, and I guess preseason. It's a good ride today. Glad I got out. That building right there, another data center. That ginormous building right there, another data center. That building being built there, another data center. They're everywhere here. And more as you continue down. Yeah, that Ford's Fish Shack, if y'all like seafood, it's a good spot to go if you're ever in the Ashburn, Virginia area. Uh-oh. Someone bought a lift kit. Everybody's out today. Typically where I live, I like going west because it's less traffic, but less stopping and stuff. But man, since it's a little cool today, I mosey around these secondary roads. Yeah, VTX running good. Alright, well thank y'all for watching Gus 2 Wheeling. Click like on the video, please. Post any comments down below. And thank you to my subscribers for subscribing and commenting. I enjoy the comments y'all send me. And if you haven't subscribed, hey, consider clicking that subscribe button for more Gus 2 Wheeling videos. All right, y'all, take care, be safe. Hopefully spring has arrived where you live and are getting ready for the motorcycle riding season. All right, y'all, take care, be safe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye now.